Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your PayPal to Capitec. This connection allows you to easily transfer funds between your international PayPal balance and your local Capitec bank account, simplifying cross-border transactions. We will cover everything from preparing your accounts to the step-by-step linking process, ensuring you understand all the requirements. Get ready to streamline your financial transfers with confidence and ease, making your online transactions much more convenient. Before you begin the linking process, it is crucial to ensure both your PayPal and Capitec accounts are fully verified. This often involves providing identification and proof of address. You will also need your Capitec account number and the correct branch code close at hand. Furthermore, confirm with Capitec that your account is set up to receive international transfers, as this is a fundamental requirement for a smooth connection. Taking these preparatory steps will save you time and potential frustration. To link your accounts, first log into your PayPal profile and find the Banks and Cards section. From there, select the option to link a bank account. When prompted, choose South Africa as your country. You will then accurately input your Capitec bank details, including your unique account number and the specific branch code. PayPal will initiate a small deposit, typically 2 tiny amounts, into your Capitec account. You will need to confirm these amounts back on PayPal to complete the verification. For a successful link, always double-check every digit of your banking information before submitting. Incorrect details can cause significant delays. Be mindful that both PayPal and Capitec may have their own transaction limits and associated fees for transfers, so review these beforehand. If you encounter any issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact the customer support teams at either Capitec or PayPal. Finally, remember that the entire linking and verification process can take a few business days to fully finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.